Hi, this is Julius Washington. We're out here in Lake Carolina, and this is specifically a subdivision called Woodleigh Park. This is a well-established community, a planned community. The house that we're looking today is a craftsman-style built home. And as you can take a look, you'll see a lot of nice features throughout the home. This is what we would call luxury vinyl plank. As you come into the foyer open area, you swing to your right, and what you have here is essentially what I would have a double doors kind of situation for you. So I would call this more of like if you want it to be, it could be like an office for you, okay? Right at the front of the home. And you can see the panelings that it has on the bottom. There wood trims, okay? Hardwood trims all throughout. And you'll take a look at here. This is what I would call your dining room area. If you swing to your left, then you'll have your bathroom. This is a half bath, hard granite countertops. I love the features of the granite countertops with the contrasting with the wood itself. Water closet itself, so you can actually close the door for privacy. You have here, you have a coat closet as you come in, and then we'll transition. You'll leave here. If you swivel to your left, you're looking going up the stairs, which we'll go here in a few, but we're gonna stay downstairs for right now. We'll take a look here. You got a fireplace with the little stone features and accents all around it, and then a mantle all around to the top. Okay, now so we look at that. Nice little family room area here. Again, we talked about luxury vinyl plank. Very open, spacious concept, as you can see it. Open flow all the way throughout on the bottom floor here. Okay, showing you right here is essentially the kitchen with a nice large size island, granite countertops on the island itself. Okay, you can put your stools here if you want to do a quick breakfast or a quick snack, and a wraparound countertop of all granite. Stainless steel appliances. You can see granite countertops with the gas burner, stove. And you got a microwave, all that stainless steel along with the supporting refrigerator. One of the things I wanted to show you here was the actual cabinets themselves, and look at the soft close to them. As you can see, steadily, slowly closes as you get to the end. So no slamming of the counters or the shell, the doors to the cabinets. Okay, and then we'll go over here. This is a nice little open room as you're coming in from your garage, so you can literally turn this into a mud room if you decide. You choose it, it's a clay for you to mold, and you mold it however you see fit. Then we have here, this is your open walk-in pantry, okay? Nice little spacing here, shelving as you can see is right below the staircase here on the back side of it, okay? So we'll transition out of here, and we'll start heading toward the staircase or stairwell for military types. And we'll transition up here to go up to all the bedrooms that are upstairs. As we get ready to transition upstairs, you can see you got the wrought iron right here, rails, a nice little accent, nice little touch with the handrails there itself. Matching accents for the wood planks going upstairs with the wooden risers themselves. So we'll walk upstairs. And we'll take a look at the rest of the house. Swinging over here to your right, first thing we'll do is look at the master suite. As you can see, a nice spacious, I'm gonna give you a panoramic view. You got double doors that you enter into, and then a spacious master suite. Transitioning into the master or owner's bathroom. Tile floors. I love the texture that you see here and color accents for the tile itself. A large garden tub, okay. Then a supporting shower with the little built-in cut-ins here for you to put your soaps and body washes, things of that nature. Swing over here, you have a dual vanity, okay. Love the cabinets. Sporting cabinets, the color pickouts, that they picked out. Here goes your water closet, the toilet area for your privacy. And then we'll transition in over here to the large, spacious walk-in closet. Okay? Carpeted on the floors. Transition out of here. We'll keep it moving. And then we'll enter into the rest of the house. Or should I say the remaining rooms. Oh, forgot to talk to you as I came up first. But here, look how large this loft is. So you can make this whatever you want it to be as far as potential play area, another family area, TV area, or whatever for your kids that are upstairs, okay? Segment of this walkthrough is we'll continue to go into the other bedrooms. This is large, spacious bedrooms. The home overall, what you're seeing, this is about 2,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Okay, that was a nice walk-in closet for this room. Room number 2, bedroom number 2. Okay, we'll go into over here to your right. What you'll have here is your laundry room. Nice shelving here for your detergent, whatever you want to put up there. Washer hookups, dryer hookups. This is a spacious laundry room, okay? Transition to bedroom number 3. Okay, this is not a walk-in closet. You'll see it's more of just a regular closet. Decent size where you put your clothes in, okay? Transition out of here. This is bathroom number 2, dual vanity. Okay, linen closet right here. Okay, dual vanity, nice granite countertops. Okay, nice touches. Okay, it's a garden tub shower combination with the toilet area. And then tiled floors throughout the bathroom in the wet spaces, okay? Going into bedroom number 4, okay? Same concept as the previous bedroom we went to. All right, got your closet right here, carpeted floors, okay? Nice high ceilings. That's the other thing I forgot to mention. It will look like 9-foot ceilings in here, okay? So that's feature. And then here, this is the final closet we'll look at here on the 2nd floor, and that's the linen closet. All right, so that is it in a nutshell as far as this home is concerned. Okay, so that's a wrap for today. I want to thank you for hanging with me all the way to the end, touring this craftsman style house, which is essentially the Drexel floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and about 2,600 square feet. This home is move-in ready right now. As you can see, it has a lot of nice accents, a lot of nice features. And if you are interested in this home, I would love to take the time and show you all the in and outs of this particular property. The builder is called Eastwood Homes. They build a good product out here. They're all throughout the Northeast, Columbia, Lexington, I should say the whole Midlands, okay? Because they've got communities all over the place. A well-established builder with a good reputation. And so, if you're interested in this home right here, it's move-in ready. Don't hesitate to give me a call. I would love to talk to you about the goodness of working with the Washington Group and all the services that we can provide to you at an A++, 10++ level. This is Julius Washington signing out. 600